Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that saves you from making dumb purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On my left, we have the Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum, or as I like to call it, the Sharkinator. And on my right, we have the Monf Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, aka the Monf Marvel. Let's see which one of these bad boys deserves a place in your home. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Sharkinator is priced at a whopping $549. For that price, I'd expect it to not only clean my floors, but also cook me dinner and tuck me in at night. On the flip side, the Monf Marvel comes in at a much more wallet-friendly $196. If you're on a budget, the Monf Marvel is already looking like a hero. Now onto suction power. The Sharkinator boasts incredible suction that could probably suck up your hopes and dreams along with the dirt. Meanwhile, the Monf Marvel has 1,400 pascal suction, which is decent but might struggle with anything more challenging than a popcorn kernel. So if you're planning to clean up after a frat party, you might want to stick with the Sharkinator. Reviewers agree that Shark's suction is fantastic, especially for pet owners, while Monf suction is good but best for lighter tasks. Navigation and mapping. Because we all need a robot that can find its way better than we can. The Sharkinator uses matrix clean navigation with 360 degrees LiDAR vision, making it the Google Maps of robot vacuums. The Monf Marvel has 3D precise obstacle avoidance, which is great if you want it to avoid your cat, but maybe not so much if you want it to clean efficiently. Reviewers praise Shark for its precise mapping and efficient cleaning routes, while Monf is noted for its good obstacle avoidance, but less efficient cleaning paths. The Sharkinator has a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days of dirt. Not only that, but it also has a HEPA filtration system that captures 99.97% of dust and allergens. So basically, it's the Marie Kondo of robot vacuums. The Monf Marvel, on the other hand, doesn't have a self-emptying feature, but does come with a 230 milliliters water tank for mopping and a 220 milliliters dust bin. It's like choosing between a luxury hotel and a budget motel that offers free breakfast. Reviewers love Shark's self-emptying convenience, while Monf's mopping feature is a hit for those needing a budget-friendly, multifunctional cleaner. For all you pet lovers out there, the Sharkinator is designed to handle pet hair, dust, and dander with ease, thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration. The Monf Marvel also claims to be pet-friendly with its brushless suction port that avoids hair entanglement. So if you have a furry friend, both vacuums have got your back. Just one does it with a bit more flair. Reviewers with pets highly recommend both vacuums, but Shark's advanced features make it a standout. When it comes to runtime, the Sharkinator offers up to 120 minutes of cleaning and has a recharge and resume feature. It's like the Energizer Bunny, it keeps going and going. The Monf Marvel runs for about 100 minutes and will automatically return to its charging base. It's reliable, but might need a nap halfway through cleaning your mansion. Reviewers find Shark's longer runtime and resume feature incredibly convenient, while Monf's performance is satisfactory for smaller spaces. Lastly, let's talk about smart features. The Sharkinator allows hands-free control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. You can practically shout at it from your couch, and it'll get to work. The Monf Marvel also offers app and voice control via Google Assistant, so you can still boss it around like a pro. Plus, it comes with a remote control, because Who doesn't love having more remotes to lose? Reviewers appreciate both vacuum's smart features, but Shark's integration with multiple platforms gives it an edge. Overall, reviewers are highly satisfied with the Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum, praising its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and pet-friendly features. On the other hand, the Mom's Robot Vacuum and Mop combo is commended for its affordability, decent cleaning performance, and versatility, making it a great budget-friendly option. So there you have it, folks. The Sharkinator is the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums with its high-end features and price tag, while the Mamziv Marvel is the scrappy underdog that offers great value for money. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, clean smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.